Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by cutting power and removing the turntable so you can work safely and see what's under the unit. Once unplugged, wait a few minutes to dissipate any stored charge. You'll need a screwdriver and the replacement lamp, LED or halogen depending on your model, so you don't get the wrong part. Make sure to wear gloves to avoid oil on the bulb. Now move tools into place and position a small work light to illuminate the fasteners and cover. You'll remove the light cover next. Loosen the screws and keep them in order so reassembly is straightforward. Once the cover is off, take a quick photo of the wiring and bulb orientation. This makes reconnection foolproof. Support the assembly with one hand as you disconnect any harness clip or twist the socket free. Some sockets pull straight out while others twist a quarter turn. Carefully extract the old bulb from its socket so you can confirm the exact replacement size and base type for installation. Install the new bulb by seating it in the socket exactly as the old one was oriented. Make sure it's fully engaged so the contacts meet. Once seated, reconnect any harness and reattach the light cover with its screws in the same positions. Plug the microwave back in and turn the light on. If it illuminates, you're done. If it doesn't, first unplug and recheck the connector and seating, then inspect the lamp fuse or switch. That single troubleshooting step usually finds loose contacts or a blown fuse.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.